Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another cryptocurrency video. Today we'll talk about Terra Luna and its recent price action. As you guys have seen, Terra Luna is down almost 50% over the past month. It hit an all-time high of $100 back in December 27. Now is on in almost in a month. It came crashing down almost 54% to close to $50. So in this video, we'll try to find out what can be the possible reason for this dramatic downfall of Terra Luna token. As always, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video and share this video with your crypto enthusiast friends who might be interested in analytic videos like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. For those of you who don't know what Terra Luna is, Terra Luna is basically is the native coin or token of the Terra blockchain created by Terraform Labs by its co-founder Do Kwon and Daniel Shin back in 2018. The Terra blockchain underpins a DeFi ecosystem that creates algorithmic stablecoin. The UST is the algorithmic stablecoin of the Terra Luna blockchain. How it works is that as and how the UST adoption grows and more UST is minted, equivalent dollar amount of Terra Luna token is burned, hence reducing the supply of the Luna token from the market and indirectly jacking up its price. So it's programmatically it should go up as and how the UST stablecoin adoption grows. Now, what happened is that as you guys have seen on December 27, Terra Luna hits an all-time high of close to $102 and $103 in some exchanges. But let's just take the fact it hit an $100 high. But currently it's trading at $50. As I mentioned in the video, at the beginning of the video, we'll try to find out what can be the reason for this dramatic downfall. As per my research, what I am finding is that there are two reasons for this dramatic downfall. The first reason is the Wonderland Finance scam. Wonderland Finance scam. So this guy is his name is Michael Petrin. He is one of the co-founder of Wonderland Finance. And recently, it was found or exposed by a Twitter user that a decentralized DeFi project called Wonderland Finance is being rocked by a controversy following the disclosure that it was being run in part by a felon with ties to one of the biggest cryptocurrency scandal. His name is Michael Petrin. He had former name Omar Dhanani before legally changing his name to this, and he spent 18 months in US federal prison. And then he was deported to Canada. He was apparently uh, involved in some bank and credit card fraud. So overall, this guy is the founder of Wonderland Finance, who was a had criminal charges before in his past. What happened is that another co-founder of Wonderland Finance, Daniele Sestagalli, Thursday came out and said that he asked Wonderland's treasury head, who goes by the pseudonym basically Sifu. Sifu is the guy, Michael Petrin, this guy who had the problems past. He asked him to step down. This, after all this controversy that happened, he asked him to step down. Now, how this Wonderland Finance is related to Terra Luna is because the Terra UST stablecoin, as I mentioned before, can be staked to lend out meme or magic internet money, a stablecoin that is soft pegged to the US dollar and minted by the Abracadabra lending platform. Basically, after this, what happened is that after this after this scam came out, and this guy, people understood that this guy is having some bad past. People started taking out their uh, deposited magic internet money, and hence the supply of UST also came down. Due to that, there is, as I mentioned before, if there is more supply, more UST is minted, then equivalent Luna is burned. Now there is less UST, so more Luna token is created. Due to that, there is oversupply of Luna token in the market, and also this FUD going on in the market. Due to that, there is dramatic fall of the Luna price on last Friday, as you guys can see. So that is one of the main reason why there is a dramatic fall of Luna price. Next, another reason that I can think of is the TVL, or the total value locked of the Luna token. If you go to the DeFi Llama website, here you can see all the amount or the TVL that is locked to different DeFi protocols of different chains. As you can see, Ethereum is the biggest one, having $116 billion locked, and next is Terra Luna with 13.37 billion of TVL locked to its different protocols. But the problem is, if you see on December 27th or 28th, when it hit the highest price of $100, like here, when it hit 27 December, it hit price of how much? $103. That day, the TVL also hit an all-time high of $21 billion. From then, since then, the TVL decreased dramatically to 13 billion. So the TVL, or the total value locked on that Luna blockchain, it decreased. Terra blockchain decreased almost 40%, and money basically flown out of Terra Luna blockchain, and due to that, the price also came down. This is one of the main reason, I think, apart from this fund. Also, if you see the Anchor protocol, which is one of the main protocol locking out all these TVL, it basically gives out 20% APY if you deposit USD stablecoin to Anchor protocol. It has the highest TVL locked under for Terra blockchain. It also hit an all-time high of 9.4 billion. Now it came down to 7 billion. What it basically does is, as you stake your USD on Anchor protocol, it gives, or people borrows USD stable coin from Anchor protocol. So the amount that you lend to Anchor protocol, they basically give it to others at a higher percentage rate, and they give 20% to the people who is lending on that, on their platform. Now the problem is, due to the overall crypto market a recent downturn, from, like, as you guys can see, from November till here, Bitcoin is down almost 40%. So due to this, there is less demand of borrowing USD stablecoin from Anchor protocol. What happened is that there is now, because of that, there is oversupply of people. More people lended uh, to this Anchor protocol, but there is less borrowing going on, so they are not earning as much interest that they are paying to their lenders, almost 20%. So eventually, if they are not able to automatically adjust that, eventually they will have to reduce their interest percentage. But as I can see, Terra didn't spend much money on marketing, but they have grown up so much and so big in such a short time, because this Anchor protocol is a marketing tool for them. I feel this is a marketing tool for Terra Luna. So Do Kwon will not want people to take out their money out of Anchor protocol, which will bring down the price of Luna. So they have some kind of, he came out and he announced that they have some kind of fund kept separately, in case there is a discrepancy between lending and borrowing, and there is shortfall of paying interest to the lenders. So due to that, recently I have seen a news that $50 million worth of USD has been minted for paying out the interest and all. Due to that also, there is some selling pressure going on the Terra Luna chain. As I told you guys, there is more supply of Luna right now than before. So as and when more USD is minted, equivalent Luna will be burned and pushing up the price indirectly. Now, if we, so these are the basically the two reasons that I can think of why Luna is going down recently. Now, if we go to the technical chart, I'm not a technical chart reader expert, but if we simply see, Terra Luna price is currently testing its 200-day moving average, which is a good place to buy, I would say. Obviously, this is not a financial Advice, you take your own decision, but since Terra Luna is such a solid project with strong fundamentals, and it corrected almost 50%, I am currently buying it. It can fall a little bit more. It might go down to this level of 38 or $40 level, but you can, in crypto or in any stock market also, you cannot exactly buy at the bottom and sell at the top. So what strategy I take is doing DCA or dollar cost averaging. While selling also, I try to sell as it goes up at different levels, my pre-decided levels, and while going down also, if I want to buy, then I'll keep buying limit orders at different levels, and then when it will get filled. So I recently bought some more Luna at $50. If you want to buy, this might be a good price, and it might fall a little bit more down, then we can buy more if you have some spare extra cash. So that's what my video is about Terra Luna. If you see the RSI level also, it's pretty oversold. It's currently at around 30 level. So anytime RSI goes below 30, it's oversold and probably a good place to buy. And if the RSI goes above 70, it's like overbought level. So probably a good time to sell. So it's, as the RSI also indicates, that's a good level to buy. So that was my video about Terra Luna and its current downtrend. I would not say bear market for Terra Luna, but I would say downtrend. I strongly hope that it will come up as and when as the market picks up steam and Bitcoin goes above 40 50k. Terra Luna will also come back up in no time. That was my video for Terra Luna. Let me know what you think, what you are doing right now. Are you buying? Are you selling? Or you are just holding your existing Luna coins? Do you even have Luna in your portfolio? I'll be interested to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. As I said below before, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends who might be interested in cryptocurrency analysis videos like this. Till next time, bye bye, and I'll see you in another video.